Going on, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 here once again. And what you see here is a 52-inch antique brass Commander Kingston. This is a rather unusual fan here, dating back to around the early 1980s. I'm not sure if there was ever a relationship between Commander and CEC. I know CEC stood for Commander Electric Corporation. I'm not sure if they had to merge with somebody else to create the name, or Commander was this completely independent fan manufacturer. I'm sure somebody could shed light on that subject. But this one here is a pretty interesting one. It seems like this was probably one of Commander's most highest end fans they marketed. As this fan uses a stack motor, import stack motor, and a steel flywheel as a powertrain for this fan instead of like a regular spinner style motor. It uses the Commander blade brackets, which typically these fans used, which SMC also shared that same design. Go ahead and pan to the top of the fan here. You can see the very top of that motor. And the typical Commander canopy there. Blades on the fan are like a walnut stencil on one side, just plain walnut on the other. Yeah, very interesting fan. As you can tell here, unfortunately, the bottom of the switch cap for the bottom of the switch housing is missing. It was like that when I got it. It'll probably be extremely difficult to find a replacement. So I'll probably have to pilfer an entire switch housing off of a donor motor fan sometime in the future. But anyway, we'll give this fan a demonstration. Take a look here at the motor housing before we do turn it on. Show you its interesting ornate details here. It's got two different ornate patterns on it, which just share the look at the bottom of the fan here. Pretty interesting. It seems like the SMC A52 or ornate SMC A52 was copied off this design, possibly. That maybe just be speculation. I'm going to turn this fan on here. Start off on its low speed. I'll say, being a higher end fan, it definitely has a rather aesthetic, not a real aesthetic low speed, but a rather nice slow low. And it's fairly quiet too, except for a very light motor hum. The speeds on the fan are transformer controlled, as you can see inside, courtesy of the missing switch cap. I'm going to take it up to medium. It's got a bit of a wobble to it, you can see. It's worse on high. It's just the blades being unbalanced. And we'll take it to high. This fan actually does a pretty good job taking off and flying here. It's actually rather impressive. I'd say it's a bit of a sleeper fan. This motor inside here fully does pack a punch. And it moves a very nice amount of air too. This is on par with Casablanca in terms of air movement. It's actually a very powerful fan. The fan is electrically reversible, if I did not mention that before. Reversing switch is right there. The speeds are just about in the same Speeds on the fan in reverse turns about the same RPM, so I'm not going to bother really showing that. But anyway, that's about it for this video, so I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on this Commander Kingston 52-inch antique brass ceiling fan from the early 1980s. And take care, everybody, and we'll see you next time.